Nice echo.
Welcome to Top Tech. Today we'll dive into the power and precision of modern cutting machines, along with the top-notch skills of craftsmen mastering this incredible technology. The worker stands before the giant tree, a daunting challenge in the dense forest. With the chainsaw in hand, he calmly makes precise, powerful cuts into the trunk. The roar of the engine breaks the stillness as the wooden giant slowly loses its footing. Finally, the tree falls, a testament to human strength against nature.
Nice echo.
Oh my God.
I bet after pulling out that stump, you'll be asking your wife for money to get new tires, my friend. The Marshall tree saw is a specialized device for cutting and removing trees. Equipped with a steel blade resembling the sharp teeth of a shark, it can cut through tree trunks with a diameter of up to 40 centimeters. The machine is capable of cutting large trees in just 30 seconds, increasing work productivity by up to 50%. Cutting down large trees is absolutely necessary during the annual storm season to prevent any potential casualties. Hopefully, we will plant more trees so that the world always has fresh, clean air. Meet Vermeer TS44A, your golden hero. With unbeatable strength, TS44A effortlessly lifts large trees along with their roots without breaking a sweat. Always ready and reliable, Vermeer TS44A is the perfect partner for relocating trees quickly and safely in any project. Behold the powerful Bandit, standing tall in its striking green. With just a few quick moves, it shreds massive logs into wood chips in no time. Not only strong, but incredibly fast, Bandit will leave you amazed by its outstanding performance. This bright red RPAL machine is truly a powerful beast, paired with a tractor to effortlessly crush large branches. In the blink of an eye, massive tree limbs are devoured and shredded into fine wood chips. Watch RPAL in action and witness its impressive performance now. You absolutely have to watch this video because the tension is unreal. The truck could tumble down the slope at any moment. I don't think I could handle it if I were the one driving that truck. It's so dangerous, isn't it? Wow, meet RPAL, the small yet powerful beast, ready to devour even the biggest branches in seconds. Oh my, with incredible strength, it quickly turns everything into fine wood chips. Don't miss out. Watch RPAL in action and feel its amazing power. The powerhouse machine tears through massive logs in a blink, turning nature's strength into splinters. One push, one roar, and the giant wood crumbles. Unstoppable performance. Nothing stands in its way. The John Deere 753J is a forest beast with 225 horsepower, effortlessly tearing through dense woods. It grabs and cuts multiple trees in one move, making it a productivity giant. The operator, like a mastermind, controls every action with precision. You definitely shouldn't miss the moment when Big John effortlessly lifts a large tree with its roots. In just a blink, this powerful yellow machine is ready to safely and efficiently relocate the tree. An impressive performance you absolutely need to see. Thank you for watching the entire video. See you in the next one.